with reference to stagflation. Consider the following statement. Stagflation में होता क्या है? Number 1, increase in the inflation. Number 2, supply shock. Number 3, stagnant growth. These are the 3 conditions of the stagflation. Now we will look into the statements. Stagflation means a situation characterized by simultaneous increase in prices and stagnation of economic growth. It's a definition of the stagflation. I can eliminate C. It occurs when an economy faces a sudden decrease in the supply of a commodity or service. Supply shock. Second statement is also correct. If I can say 1 and 2 are in option A. One of the way to counter is that productivity has to be increased to the point where it would lead to higher growth without additional inflation. कैसे correct? So all the statement 1, 2 and 3 are correct. The answer will be D here.